Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today I am making Korean ground chicken. This is super easy to make, so let's get started. I have a pan on my stove and you want to put it on high because we will be heating up our oil on this before putting in the chicken. So with this recipe, you can definitely do the chicken if you like, or you can also use some ground beef or some ground turkey. We've tried it with the ground turkey before and it was super delicious, even with the ground beef as well, but we prefer the ground turkey. But I am showing you this one with the ground chicken. So as you can see here, the oil has been heated up and then I'm putting in the chicken. And as you can see here, I am cooking the chicken all the way. You want to cook it just to make sure that it is cooked on the inside and that there's no pink meat left. And also, as you can see here, there is that liquid that came out from that chicken. Again, it is the fats, it is everything that we don't want in this recipe. So go ahead and strain that and then we'll put it back in the pan later on. So this pan, it is already hot. I am adding in 2 cloves of garlic and it is minced. And for this, you can add as much garlic as you want because, yeah, as you guys know, I do love my garlic. And also I'm adding in some ginger. I do have about 1 tablespoon of ginger. It was grated. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but I do freeze my ginger so that it stays longer because I barely use it. But for this recipe, as you can see here, I did grate my frozen ginger and just warming that up on the pan here. And I do have soy sauce. I'm putting in about a 1/4 cup of that, and you want to let it reduce for a little bit with the garlic and the ginger. And then I'm adding in about a 1/4 cup of sugar, and the reason for that is that so that it doesn't taste too salty when you're eating it. And now add in about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, some black pepper, and now I'm adding in cornstarch and water mixture just so that it gives it a bit of a more sauce. And also you want to let this reduce a little bit. And for mine, I do like them a little bit with sauce, but it is totally up to you if you do want to add more water to this or even less. It depends how saucy you want your dish to be. And this is what it looks like after the chicken has been marinated into that sauce, and the sauce, as you can see, has been reduced as well. And one last thing to tie it all up together is to add in some green onions just on top, and that is it. This is my dish for making Korean ground chicken. And like I said, you can definitely do it with any ground meat pretty much, and this works out really good. There is something else that I do want to mention. At this point, you can add in sesame seeds to this, and it really just puts it all together as the Korean ground chicken. But because for my preference, I didn't like the seeds, but you can definitely do so if you prefer. And this is it, you guys. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button and also that like button as well. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media, please do so. I do have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. All of the links are down below on the description. And again, this is it. So thank you very much for watching. You guys have an awesome day. Thank you.